And this one is the best mode over here. As you can see here, this is the most brightest mode. The WUBEN G5 flashlight is an interesting flashlight you can get for yourself. What is striking about this is the size. It is absolutely small and fits in the palm of your hand. The next thing about this is this interesting light that is working for this flashlight. Not only it is small, but it also RGB in color, and you can go ahead and switch the different colors around, which makes it very striking and interesting as well. It also has a flash mode where you can go ahead and flash those different lights around too. If you keep on holding, it does have the regular light here for you too. Another great thing about this is that it actually can be put just like this on a surface, or you can put it as an actual regular flashlight. You can hold it and use it. And this mode over here, you can go ahead and adjust the brightness as well. So really good flashlight with so many different features, and the most striking and interesting part of it is how small, delicate, and really nice looking this flashlight actually is. Taking a look at the entire flashlight over here, you can see how it looks like. I absolutely like this new color code to this. And another thing about this is that this handle over here, you can go ahead and strap it right on yourself and just put it just like this, and then you can walk with it in case you want to. Also, another thing about this is that you can go ahead and move this around. So it will move from one side, and then you can lift it up just a little bit and move it to the front, or to go ahead and move it all the way to the back as well. So it's up to you to decide which way you want to move this to. Another great thing about this is this right here, which is pretty much transforms it from being a regular flashlight to something totally else, which is this one over here. We can just put it just about anywhere and it's going to flash the light, and you can use this as a prop for just about anything. And I really dig this thing because this is how you put this on yourself, and at the same time you can just also put it on the floor in case you need to. Over here we have the USB-C cable for us to charge, and then as you turn this off, it actually protects it, making it much more water resistant as well. There's the magnetic bottom over here, making it easy for you to attach it just about anywhere magnetic, and then you can go ahead and use it for different kind of projects. With RGB color over here, this is just amazing. So altogether we have all those awesome specs to this flashlight, and it looks really nice too. Love this new limited edition yellow color. I think definitely you should get this. I absolutely think this is a stunning little flashlight with so many different features that make it unique and interesting, and something for you to have in your EDC everyday carry. Well, it is dark here, and now we have the lights on as well. Now, the great thing about the flashlight itself is that it also has and features a strobe mode that works just like this too. But you can also go ahead and switch the modes around. Police light over here, and then let's go ahead and switch to a different mode, which is the regular light mode over here. This is not the brightest one, but if you hold it, you get into the RGB mode. The RGB mode is very interesting because you can cycle through this, and you can have the different kinds of colors around for very nice special effects for you. That's gonna be great in a live or a night show, or just going around and looking different as well. Really interesting when it comes to looks, maybe making some scary movie as well here. But in reality, I absolutely dig the creative angle of this light and all the cool different effects and features of it too. So definitely if you're looking for something that's a little different than the ordinary flashlight, the RGB mode is just absolutely stunning because it gives you all this different kind of color codes for you to go ahead and put on. And also it just gives you the regular flashlight that is included here too. So you get everything in one light, and then you can switch to the regular flashlight here, and you can switch to the normal flashlight as well. Now when you switch it to the regular flashlight, or you do the flash mode here, let's go ahead and get the regular flashlight in. And as you can see here, the great thing about this is once you get it to the regular flashlight, you can move this around and you can brighten up the light. Absolutely stunning. You can see here it goes from really not too dark to very bright. And then you can use it as a regular flashlight as well. So you can see over here how great this thing actually is, because now as you figured out all the different modes, you can go from very faint to very bright light over here, and it looks just stunning. Although it is small, it is absolutely mighty, and you can go ahead and change the power around by just dialing up on the dial, and you can see that now it's absolutely amazing how much light it actually gives you. And then if you don't want this to be this bright, you can go ahead and dial it down so it is no longer as strong, and then you can change whatever you want. So it's up to you to decide how bright you want this flashlight to be, but it's definitely small and absolutely mighty when it comes to the power of this flashlight. It's just amazing. And the next thing is the regular light mode over here. You can see how it actually shines right there. And if you want to make it much more powerful, go ahead and move this around, and we have a much more powerful mode over here. So let's go ahead and see how well it goes up here. And it's really bright. It actually is surprisingly bright for its small size, and we can kind of see everything in here. You can also see everything down and far away as well. As we walk around, see how good this is. And we can go from low light, which is good for just walking, just seeing the trail so nobody knows that you're around, to making it much more powerful and much bigger right over here as well. So now you can see everything else, and before it was dark and now it is bright right here. It really helps me when it comes to walking around and navigating anywhere I walk. So the flashlight is really good. You can see a lot of things in the dark that you couldn't see before, and it helps you when you walk around just about everywhere. And it even can go all the way up into the tree. Look how beautiful it is. You can see all the way to the top of the tree. And as we walk around right here, you see a lot of trees as well. So I really like the way this lights up just about everything, and it helps you out at night and in the darkness, and you can see all the way up to the almost to the tippy top of the trees, and it's very powerful. It definitely works great to brighten up just about everything, and the best part, it's such a small size that it's barely noticeable. And you can flip different lights over here. Really nice effect, especially with the grass here. And I actually really like this ability for you to see stuff in different kind of color mode, and it just looks really interesting too. You just never know how things are gonna look like when you're doing the RGB colors and you're looking at different things at night, and it really is interesting as well, especially with the plants. Take a look at this. Now that's cool, absolutely cool, in every possible way. I actually really dig this, and you can take pictures of it, and it just looks really interesting. I absolutely love this.